With one of the big business stories that's going to have a long-lasting impact on South Africa and indeed Africa, if I'm being honest about it. The US has agreed to extend the African Growth and Opportunities Act. You'll know the acronym, AGOA. We spoke about it at some length last year. It's an agreement for another 10 years. Essentially, it means over 30 countries will be keeping duty-free exports to the American market. It was cutting it a little bit fine, though. Let's find out how close we were to this maybe not coming out. Economist Patrick Bond joining us this morning. Hello, Patrick. Good to have you back on ENCA as well. And I know 2025 is only next year, but in the world of global agreements, this was cutting it a little bit fine, wasn't it?
Yes, and I don't even think that we have anything certain yet. There hasn't been any announcement on the DTI website or on the U.S. Trade Representative, Catherine Tai's site. And I think it's a Bloomberg report that I'm not sure we can rely on. And the reason is Donald Trump may well win the presidency later this year. And there's a lot of maneuvering, which in the primary season, as the Republicans move up, they're getting more and more protectionist. And in particular, the Genocide Joe charge against Joe Biden that he's assisting Israel runs up against the South African critique of Israeli attacks on Gaza that we've seen last Thursday and Israel's defense on Friday in the Court of Justice. Now, if the Court of Justice in the coming days, maybe a couple of weeks from now, says that South Africa is correct, there is genocide and Israel should stop, well, the U.S. is the main complicit body, and I think this could actually sour relations, and it's really too soon to call this a victory for AGOA.